Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Gripworks. Today we're going to be doing some cooling upgrades on the EJ Civic. As you guys remember last time, I was having some overheating issues and it ended up being a faulty thermostat. So the thermostat actually ended up failing, so that it was basically stuck closed. So I took care of that. In the process of replacing the thermostat, I upgraded to silicone hoses, so that should sort of help. But now my main concern is putting a pusher fan through the front of the actual radiator, because the Mishimoto one does come with two slim fans, but as you can see there's like a bit of a clearance issue right here. So we ended up deciding we're going to run it in the front and then we're going to run it on a relay. That way we can turn it on and off whenever we want.
So yeah, we're going to add a fan on the front like Lewis said. Do all the quick wiring. Lewis actually pre-made the harnesses. They're over here.
So I basically just got a relay with the relay harness, basically power to the fan when it's on, power to the battery, and then this will be for our ignition signal and the switch. And then the process of doing that, I kind of went overkill and I redid my actual gauge pods. So now they're disconnectable compared to before. They had these little terminals, so now you just be able to unplug two plugs and it's a lot easier. So no hassle.
Then you also have a light, right?
Oh yeah, and then so I'm gonna try to figure that out. I still have it, but I need to find the light that goes to the OEM relay. That way it tells me whenever the fan turns on. So whenever the original fan turns on, I want to be able to know to make sure that it's working. So it's basically already grounded out, but I need to figure out through one of these cables that I have here, how to connect it to the actual relay that's inside my actual OE fuse box, so we can get an indicator light that it's on and it's off. So that way, if the fan's not kicking on, we know there's an issue, and I'm able to override it by using the fan.
This is the other fan that came with the strap kit. This is a Mishimoto fan. I think it does what, 1150 CFM.
Yeah, 1150 CFM.
Yeah. So like Lewis said, there isn't enough room to run it in the original spot. It's there's negative space. It's gonna contact the header. The fan can melt. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna drop stuff. What just fell? We're gonna mount it in the front of the radiator on the driver's side.
And with that, we're gonna try to use just like an actual plug-in from a Honda. So
yeah, so we're gonna
plug and play, ground, and then this is gonna go to our power wire that I made. So.
And I believe he already, in that harness that he made, he already flipped the wires. So this will go from a puller to a pusher.
Yeah, the only thing we have to do now is just flip the fan over. So unbolt it from the middle and then flip it over.
That's it. We're gonna get this fan on, do all the wiring, and catch you guys up later. Alright, so I had to run to the O'Reilly's to get another one of these dealies because I told Lewis, yeah, you don't need those little foam things. These. I was like, yeah, you don't need them. I was wrong. So I had to go back to the store and get some. And now we have the fan mounted. Now it's mounted up. You can barely see it, but it's mounted up and it's super sturdy and cushioned. So now we're gonna put the shroud back on and finish this. Right?
Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we're basically just gonna hook it up, make sure everything works as soon as we turn on the key, and then after that we'll just tidy it up. Maybe on the next episode we can show you guys how it's gonna look, all nice and kind of tucked in. But as of now, I think we might just make sure it works, make sure it properly works with the relay and everything, and then kind of tidy it up on the next episode.
Cool.
Well, hit it.
Look at the camera, dick.
I know, hold on.
What? What?
Alright guys, so on this video we ended up wiring an extra fan off an actual toggle switch, so hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe, like the video, and then hopefully you guys stay tuned, because on the next video we're going to do a push start that's made by Total Race Innovation, so stay tuned if you guys want to see an actual working push start. I already have the panel already installed.
Bam.
Stay tuned.
All right.